Hi, I'm Stuart and I'm the owner of Your Car Haggler, and I want to be your car haggler. I'm a licensed auto broker helping you save time, money, and the aggravation involved when it comes to buying a car and all of the games that come with it. This series is all about auditing car dealerships and the deceptive tactics that they use and how you can avoid them. Let's go. The longer that I am an auto broker car consultant, the more dealerships I contact, the more I'm surprised that anybody wants to go car shopping on their own. The video and the audio that I'm going to play for you is what transpired after I submitted information to be contacted by a Chevrolet store for a client that was interested in a Blazer. And I was so taken aback. It wasn't a script. There's no way that was a script. I really don't know what it was. I'll let you watch it. And when you're ready for a car, hopefully this pops back into your head and you're like, maybe I should call Stuart because I don't want to deal with this. Take a listen. When I come back, I'll probably still be smiling. Okay.
So is that you?
Yeah.
Hey, how are you? This is I'm calling you from Chevrolet. For your inquiry of the Blazer, Chevrolet Blazer.
Okay.
Yeah, I have a large inventory of the Blazer in stock. Would you like to pass by the dealership today?
You're obviously very new. Can you have a salesperson call me, please, to discuss numbers?
I'm the salesman.
You are the salesperson. Can you have somebody else call me or a manager, please?
What will be this?
Want
me to
why
ask
don't you just have
someone else to call you?
a sales manager call me?
Okay, no problem.
A lot of dealership call centers, internet sales departments have scripts. Their scripts are designed to introduce themselves, to say, you're interested in this car. When would you like to come in and see it? Because the majority of dealerships pay those people on the phones when you come in. Now, some dealerships, the salesperson might be the one handling those leads, but a lot of larger dealerships are handled by call centers. But this one was a salesperson with, I just don't know how to describe that interaction. I would occasionally answer the phone when I sold cars because calls would sometimes accidentally get routed to reception desk and the receptionist would be like, are you available? So when I would answer the phone or when I reached out to a person I was given a lead for, Roleplay both. Hi, thank you for calling ABC Motors. This is Stuart. How can I help? Oh, you're interested in a Chevy Blazer? Yeah, that's great. What questions can I answer for you? Okay, it looks like right now we have about 14 in stock. Did you want to swing by and take a look at one? Did you want me to answer some questions? Maybe I can even send you a video of one that we have on the lot that you're interested in. A little bit better, right? If I was reaching out to the person, hi, this is Stuart reaching out from ABC Motors. It looks like you might have submitted a lead for some information about a Chevy Blazer. What questions can I answer for you? Okay, yeah, that one is still here. If you want, I can send you a video of it. You're welcome to come in and swing by. What's best for you? Lamp drop. Which one would you rather have? So, of course, a manager never called. So I called into the Chevy store and I got through to somebody who the following audio is, well, what transpired with that salesperson. Not quite sure how this dealership sells cars other than just unassuming consumers walking in off the street. And then I just can't imagine what happens when somebody just walks in off the street. My clients never step foot into a dealership without consulting with me first.
I just need a
Okay.
lease quote.
A lease quote. Okay, we don't really have what do you call it? Lease quote super clear. I know we have special. Let me look something up for you. One moment.
You don't quote numbers? Like you don't sell cars?
Not on leases. Just that the only thing I know how to do is like quote the bottom lines
I don't know financing, and I don't know what the leasing terms or like the what do you call it, the residuals, money factors, etc. I don't have access to those programs. Those are my managers, and they give me quotes to give over the phone. However, I know we have a special on 3 vehicles, Equinox, Silverados, and Blazers being one of them. That was posted in our group chat, and I'll tell you exactly what I'm reading off of there. And I could I'll break that down for you. Just give me 1 second. Looking it up right now. On a 2024 Blazer, this is on a base model. We're looking at $399 per month before taxes. Look, I'm just gonna what I'll do for you is I'll create the profile. Tell me which is the stock number you want. I'll give you a call back, and I'll get the number from my manager if that's what you want.
Can I speak to your sales manager, please?
They're pretty busy. I'm gonna have to have them call you back. We have like 7 salesmen in front of them. They
All right.
That's why we're here to assist you.
So that was the second person that I spoke to at this dealership, and I am no closer to getting the information that I need to help my client. So what happens next? I get a call from a third person that I'm going to play for you.
I'm one of the leading sales team members here. I understand you're trying to get a lease quote on a 23 Blazer. Okay. Yeah, but it's just that we have several clients here in the showroom right now, and it's a little difficult to get the figure off a manager when there's 6 salesmen lined up for a figure. I could assist you with that. I just need to know which is the stock number you're interested in.
Stock number that's of interest is...
This is a 23, correct. This is a 23 black on black Blazer. It's the same because it's based off a residual money factor. They're both technically the same numbers. 23, 24 Blazer, doesn't matter. Yeah, the residuals and money factors are the same. What changes, if anything, it might be the MSRP, and the difference in price, what you're going to be paying for a year difference, might be between $8, $12, $14.
Yeah, but you're going to want to incentivize.
Significant.
Aren't you going to want to discount a 23 more to get rid of it?
Doesn't matter what we discounted it. Like, the point is it's all based on the residual money factor in the end of the day. Which one has a better program? They both have the same program.
You're going to discount a 24 the same $6,500. You're going to discount a 23.
Again, the discount. It's not about the discount. It's about the residual money factor term. How many miles you want to do. It's not a finance deal. If you were looking at a finance deal, that's a different story.
I don't know if you know what leasing is. It absolutely affects it. You discounting the car lowers my payment. The more you discount the car, the lower my payment.
It's about the residuals, money factors, how many miles you're going to do in the year, and what are you willing to put down. That's it. That's all it is. Remember, in a lease, you're financing the depreciation of the vehicle. You're financing the difference between the residual and the MSRP with the cap reduction and whatnot. It doesn't matter if it's a 23 or 24 in this case.
You're correct, but my question to you is, don't you want to discount a 23 more to get rid of it than a 24?
Yes, but regardless, it's literally an $8 or $12 difference a month with that discount.
So you're telling me that you're going to discount a 2024 $6,000 then?
You're not understanding. Okay, so the difference between a 23 and a 24 on a monthly payment, whether one has more discounts than the other, it's just it's barely a $10 differential between the two.
This whole dealership, Fs. Everybody gets Fs. Fs all around. There couldn't be more Fs to be given than this dealership right here. Now, the salesperson that I spoke to, this third high-level salesperson, has no clue what they're talking about. But we basically talk in circles, and end up nowhere, and I wind up helping my client get a completely different car. Thanks for watching this video. I'm Stuart, and I want to be your car haggler, no matter where you live. Please like, subscribe, share, comment, tell your best friend, tell your worst friend. No matter where you live, I can help you beat this dealership so they don't screw you.